In the previous video, I configured the server and I also set up some source channels. After that video, I created a couple extra source channels. I've got 2 external devices set up for Lucky Rainbow and also set up a space racer. So what we're going to do now, the next step in setting up the skeleton of your business is to set up your add-on configurations. So to do that, you can go right-click on the contest area here and you go to New, Add-on Configuration, OK. And you have to enter a unique name for the add-on configuration. I like to personally use the name of the game and then the number of connected devices, like 1 connected. And then you're going to select the machine and we're going to select Lucky Rainbow. Now we have 3 sources here, but only 2 show up. And the reason only 2 show up is because these are the only 2 that are external devices. They only show the channels, the sources that are marked as external devices and are not used in an existing add-on configuration. So you cannot reuse a channel or a source in multiple add-on configurations. They can only reside in one. So we're going to move this one here, this 101-100, into the selected column. So now this source is going to be a part of this add-on configuration. So then we say OK, and it says this has been created successfully. And now you see it is here in No Region, Add-on Configurations. We have it right here. Now we have these 2 regions here. We have Dragonfire and RA Core. So you need to move the region that this add-on configuration is going to apply. If you are universal and you have every single one of your add-on configurations universal between all of your regions, then it doesn't hurt to just dump every single region in there. But if you have, if this add-on configuration, let's say that this channel is not used at all in Dragonfire, but it is used in RA Core, you can still drop Dragonfire in there if you like. It doesn't hurt anything. But if you have a similar add-on configuration that does the same thing, say a single wheel is 100 or 101-100 in RA Core and it's 101-200 in Dragonfire, then you would need to add 101-200 to your sources and add that in, and then RA Core is going to have a source. It's not a source. So it's not really that critical that this match perfectly. What is critical is that your regions are applied and the add-on selected is correct. These are the ones that have 1 device connected. So we're going to just set RA Core for now. And you see here on the left, it no longer says no region. It's now an RA Core. And down here we have 1 connected device. This is changeable, but the name cannot be renamed on an add-on configuration. So if you do say 1 connected, and if you ever want to change that, it is recommended that you instead remove it from the remove the source from this add-on configuration and put it in a new one. That way it just doesn't confuse you that the 1 connected is connected to 3 devices, right? So we're going to create another add-on configuration, the exact same thing, except we're going to say 4 connected. And we're going to say Lucky Rainbow. And we're only going to have 1 channel, 1 source appear. And the reason only 1 source appears is because 101-100 is already in use, and the other channel, 101-000, is not connected to external devices. So this is the only channel that is left. So we're going to move that one over here, and we're going to change devices connected to 4. We're going to say OK, and then it's going to tell us it's been created successfully. So now we have no region, 4 connected. We're going to open that up, and we're going to dump that again into RA Core. And now you see in the RA Core region, we have both add-ons, add-on configurations in the system. So you will want to repeat this process for every single one of your games and every single situation where you have multiple or any number, I guess, of devices, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 15, it doesn't matter. However many number of devices that you have connected, you need to have a add-on configuration for it, and you need to make sure that it applies to the region that you are going to be expecting it to work in. And once you have done all of that and you've set up all of your add-ons, you're in good shape. And that is actually the last step in setting up the skeleton of your business. And at that point, that's when you can start actually building your contests, which is what we're going to do in the next video.